In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose Progressive insurance coverages. When you arrive on Progressive's website, the first thing to keep in mind is that choosing coverage is not just about finding the lowest price. It's about balancing cost with the level of protection you may need if something unexpected happens on the road. Begin by understanding your state's insurance requirements. Every state has its own minimum rules, and you'll want to make sure you select at least the minimum liability coverage required where you live. This is your legal starting point, but it's also important to remember that minimum coverage may not always be enough to fully protect you in a serious accident. Next, take a moment to evaluate your financial situation. Think about your income, savings, assets, and how much risk you're comfortable taking on yourself. If paying out of pocket after an accident would be difficult, you may want stronger coverage limits. This step helps you choose protection that matches your real-world budget and financial responsibilities. From there, choose your liability limits. Liability coverage helps protect you financially if you're responsible for an accident that causes injury or property damage to others. As you make your selection, think beyond the minimum and consider limits that would offer more meaningful protection in a worst-case scenario. After that, decide whether to add comprehensive and collision coverage. These coverages are focused on your own vehicle. Collision can help with damage from an accident, while comprehensive can help with things like theft, vandalism, weather damage, or other covered non-collision events. If your car has significant value, or if replacing or repairing it would be expensive, these options may be worth serious consideration. You should also consider any optional coverages that fit your needs. Depending on your situation, you may want roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, medical payments coverage, or custom parts coverage. These extras can add convenience